Margaret Labus with the Starboard Group of App Properties. I am here at 407 Franklin Street in Genoa City. We're just minutes to the Illinois border and minutes to downtown Lake Geneva. This 5-bedroom, 3-bath home is perfect for new owners with plenty of space to spread out and an enormous yard. Let's take a look. This bi-level 2-story home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths on the main floor, featuring hardwood floors. The beautiful screened-in porch leads out to the deck and outdoor pool overlooking the huge backyard. Downstairs you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, a living room, and a full kitchen, perfect for an in-law suite. Thanks for taking the tour with me here at 407 Franklin. If you have any questions about this house, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help any way that we can. If you'd like more information about our market here in Southeast Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood information, and tips and tricks to lead your best lake life. Cheers!